As you navigate the Atlassian apps, look for the bolt icon indicating automation, the sparkler icon for generative AI, and the chevron icon for RovoChat. If you don't see these icons but believe they should be present, it may be because AI isn't enabled for your access level or system. As these features continue to evolve, expect some changes. The goal is for all AI features to function consistently across apps, integrating AI into our workflows throughout the ecosystem. Gen AI navigation appears in three main ways: as an icon in a static toolbar, as a floating toolbar that appears when you hover over highlighted text, and via the / key. For full AI options, remember the pencil icon to enter edit mode. Whenever I start a new project, I begin by searching for any existing related documentation in Confluence. With AI search, you can ask specific questions or enter a topic, and it will provide answers along with the sources of that information. Don't forget to click the thumbs up or thumbs down icons to help improve the quality of the responses. Next, I schedule a meeting with key stakeholders to begin formulating the project plan. It's best to use a meeting app with recording capabilities. We have Loom available, but you could also use Zoom or Teams. During this meeting, critical questioning is essential for identifying and clarifying the key elements of the plan. The AI assistant in Loom can take meeting notes and document the next steps. I copy the meeting transcript directly into Confluence, where I can use AI to extract and refine the information into different formats, such as summaries, action items, and user stories. To enhance clarity, AI-powered definitions explain terms and acronyms. If the LLM recognizes a term, it will be highlighted with a rainbow underline. You can also create a glossary in Confluence for business-specific terms. By clicking the Summarize button, AI provides a quick overview. If you're satisfied with the summary, you can easily copy and paste it into your Confluence page. Click the pencil icon to enter edit mode. Then, highlight the text and prompt AI to list the decisions and action items. Through an iterative process, I prompt AI until I have a complete project plan. Atlassian Intelligence offers various predefined prompts, such as improve my writing or change the tone. You also have the option to write or ask anything. I'm going to provide a structured approach for custom AI prompting, also known as prompt engineering, to help you get the best responses from any generative AI. This is another form of critical questioning. Think of prompting AI like ordering at a restaurant. The clearer and more specific you are, the less likely you are to receive a surprise dish. You wouldn't just say food to a waiter and expect to be satisfied, right? Consider task context, example, persona, format, and tone. You don't always need all six. Task clearly defines the action you want AI to perform. Use specific and direct action verbs such as create, summarize, suggest. Context provides the necessary background information relevant to the task. This helps the AI understand the scope and specifics of what you need. If possible, include an example to guide the AI on the expected outcome. This can be a template or a previous instance of a similar task. Persona helps specify the intended audience, or you can ask the AI to act a defined character. This ensures alignment with user needs. Describe the format in which you want the output. Include specific structures like table, lists, code, stories, and reports. Indicate the desired tone to match the communication style you want to convey. Let's discuss hallucinations, those moments when AI generates responses that don't quite make sense. If the AI hasn't encountered enough examples or lacks sufficient data, it may fill in the gaps with guesses. Noisy or dirty data indicates that the AI has learned from incorrect or irrelevant information, which can confuse it during response generation. A lack of context can lead to output that sounds convincing but isn't grounded in reality. If the AI isn't given clear boundaries or restraints, it may overextend its imagination, creating content that's more fiction than fact. However, imagination can be beneficial in the right context. Consider harnessing these hallucinations when you need a creative solution or some out-of-the-box thinking. Head over to our Confluence whiteboard in the course resource for some practice. Throughout my projects, I use Confluence whiteboards to brainstorm, gather feedback, and diagram workflows. The ability to insert Jira tickets helps streamline programming logic. Numerous AI features are available, such as organizing boards, generating summaries, converting information into tickets, and updating existing tickets. In the project plan, highlight the text and prompt AI to suggest automations. Then use natural language to set them up. This helps minimize repetitive tasks. Prompt AI to suggest user stories based on meetings and documents. Once the stories are in Jira, AI can help refine them by filling in any missing information and ensuring a consistent format. Now we're moving into the development phase of the project. Use natural language to search for related issues. Quickly get an overview of a ticket by using AI to summarize the comments. Set up automations using natural language, just as we did in Confluence. Ask AI to define test plans for product updates. At this point, you might be concerned that AI will replace your role, but you'll find that even with AI handling many tasks, there's still plenty of work for you to do. Now you can focus on the work that matters. Lastly, use Rovo to draft your release notes. At any time, use the AI in Atlassian Analytics to analyze and visualize the project's health. Now let's move on to Jira Service Management. Use AI to group and prioritize alerts. For answering Tier 1 questions or supporting UAT testing, connect the AI chatbot or agent to a knowledge base, allowing users to receive immediate answers. With AI-powered sentiment analysis, make adjustments to enhance user satisfaction on Tier 2 and 3 support. You can even conduct AI-drafted post-incident reviews, which brings us to the end of our project workflow. But you can access even greater functionality with RovoChat. Find the icon in Confluence, Jira, and JSM. You can customize and create your own agent without any coding required. When collaborating with teams that use other apps like Google Docs or Microsoft 365, Rovo offers a browser extension that allows you to keep your agents. With predictive analytics, AI helps assess risks and optimize resource management by analyzing data for you. Automated task management streamlines workflows and keeps your team organized. AI communication tools enhance collaboration by providing real-time updates and handling routine questions, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Real-time monitoring allows project managers to track progress instantly, making it easy to adjust as needed. Automated budget tracking helps manage costs efficiently, ensuring your projects stay within budget while still delivering high quality.